Good day to all employers in Hong Kong. My name is Bernadette Gasman, 25 years old from Amulung, Cagayan, Philippines, with live-in partner blessed with one daughter aged 4 years old. My weight is 49 kg and my height is 151 centimeter. My highest educational attainment is college graduate. I studied Bachelor of Science in Computer Science. And my hobbies are cooking and cleaning. I have three sisters and I am the second in the family. I work as a housemaid here in the Philippines for 3 years since May 2021 to July 2023, and I have served four members of the family, including two children aged 5 years old and 13 years old. My duties are taking care of the kids, preparing and cooking meals, washing the dishes, doing the laundry, cleaning the house, ironing, and grocery shopping. And I also have experience in taking care of a newborn baby because I am already a mother. I can also teach your children in reading, counting, drawing, recognizing colors, and seeing. Like, for example, square and circle, triangle, triangle, rectangle and oblong, rectangle and oblong, heart and star. I like to work in Hong Kong because I want to earn money for my family needs and to have savings for my daughter's future. To my future employer, please hire me as your helper because I am loyal, trustworthy, fast learner, willing to learn new things, and hardworking. I promise to finish my contract as long as you need me. I promise to do all my duties and responsibilities to serve your family. Thank you and looking forward to work with you as soon as possible. God bless.